solve c equals 2cd divided by a minus d for d. So we need to isolate d. The first thing we're going to have to do is multiply both sides of this equation by the quantity a minus d. So on the left-hand side, we have a minus d times c, and on the right-hand side, we'd have the quantity a minus d times the fraction 2cd over a minus d. On the left-hand side, we would have to distribute the c. So we have ac minus cd, putting the letters in alphabetical order. On the right-hand side, a minus d divides into a minus d once, so the result is 2cd. We are trying to isolate d, and that means we need to get the d's on the same side, so we're going to add cd to both sides. On the left-hand side, the negative cd plus positive cd sums to 0, so we have ac is equal to, and on the right-hand side, we have 2cd plus 1cd for 3cd. We are isolating d, and that means we now need to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of d, which is 3c. Dividing both sides by 3c, on the left-hand side, we can see that the c divided by c is 1. So we have a over 3 is equal to, and of course 3c divided by 3c is equal to 1, and therefore a over 3 is equal to d. So the solution is d equals a over 3.